Hello my dear students, in an earlier video we studied about the multiple, the factors. Today we are going to study about the prime factorization. So how you can do the factorization? Let's start. Composite number can be expressed as the product of several prime factors, and this is called the prime factorization. So there are two methods in the prime factorization. What is a tree? First is a tree method. First is a factor tree method and the second is a short division method. So in the factor tree method, what happens, we take a number, say 20 we have taken, and so in the factor tree method, the factor tree represent a prime factor of a composite number. It's a composite number, and a prime factor represent the prime factors of a composite number. So a factor tree, the first method is a factor tree, and in factor tree it represents the prime factor of a composite number in a diagram. That resembles a tree. So it looks like a tree. This is the number, the 20 is a number, and if you will divide the 2 into 10 makes 20. So 2 is the prime factor and 10 is a composite number. So the composite number can be put in a square box and the prime number can be put in a circle. So this is a composite number 10. We can divide it into two prime factors. Yes, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So hence the factor of 20 is 2, 5, 10 and 1 and the 20 itself. So the factors we can do the factorization in this method. So the factor include 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. These are the main factors of 20, and if you want to make a factor tree you can make by this method. So now let's make a factor tree of 30. So 30 is a composite number, so it is denoted in a square box, and 30, if it is divided, 2 into 15 is 30. So 2 is a prime number and 15 is a composite number. So 2 is encircled in a circle and 15 is a composite number, therefore it is in a box. So if 15 is further divided to find the factor, so it will come 3 into 5. So 3 and 5 both are prime numbers and hence they are circled. So this is a method to find the factor tree of any number. Say for example, if you want to make a factor tree of 60. So the 60 is a composite number. Let's make in a box. And the main number will be 2 is a prime number, then 30 is a composite number. So 30 can be further divided, yes. Then 2 into 15 is 30. So 15 is a 2 into 15 is 30. So 15 is a composite number, and 15 can be further divided into 3 and 5. 3 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. So you can make a factor tree by using this method, and this is a very easy method. Next method is a short division method. How to make a short division method? For example, we have to find the prime factorization of 16 by short division method. So what you will do, so you have to, in this method you have to divide and you have to take the shortest number, that is a prime factor 2. So 2 is a prime factor and you have to write the quotient just below it. 8 is the quotient. The quotient is written just below the number. So this becomes, the 8 now becomes the dividend, and hence it can be divided by a prime number, say 2, that is the least number. So we will divide by 2, and 2 you will get 4. 4 is the quotient, then it again becomes the dividend and we have to divide by 2. Then again a quotient you will get as 2. So the factor of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So if you will do the factorization of 16, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and by this method is called the short division method. Now if you have to get the prime factorization of 18, how you will do 18? So you have to take the least number, that is a prime number, it is 2, divide, you will get the quotient 9, the quotient becomes the dividend, again you have to divide by 3. 9 cannot be divided by 2 because it is a odd number, so it has to be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. So if you will find the factorization, you will get the factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the factorization of the number 18. So now if we have to get the prime factor of 24, so how to make a prime factor? For example, 24. So you have to make a prime factor of 24. So take the least prime factor is 2. So you will get 12 as a quotient. Now 12 can be further divided by 2 as is an even number, and you will get the quotient at 6. 6 now becomes the dividend. Again you have to divide by 2. So you will get the quotient as 3. So 3 cannot be divided by 2. So you will take the next prime number, that is 3, and you will get 1. So the quotient, so the factor, you have to find the factorization of 24. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the factorization of 24. So today we learned about the prime factorization, and we found the prime factorization of a particular number by two methods, that is a factor tree and a short division method. So, and we illustrated this by using several examples. I hope this is clear for you, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.